So here it is to the people who have all the qualities that Mr. Pai listed. The people who had a great idea, who built a great team, who were hackers, hustlers, visionaries and communicators. The people who were disruptors. Here it is to the BW Disrupt 40 under 40, ladies and gentlemen. Now for these awards, I would like to invite on stage. I'm sure this is a very anticipated moment for our achievers, our champions who are sitting there. Let's have a huge round of applause for the 40 under 40. That sounds good, and I'm hopeful that that sound will be just as thunderous as I call upon each of the winners. So the first name in the 40 under 40 list is the gentleman who has been repeatedly acknowledged during Mr. Pai's address as well. The storyteller, the lover of cinema, the entrepreneur. Yes, he knows. It's him, Mr. Rana. Everybody put your hands together for Mr. Rana Daggubati. Mr. Rana, we would like you to please remain on stage so you can also be part of the rest of the awards. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you. Hi, good evening. Sir, firstly, thank you very much for this. I think this feels like a culmination of all that I've done in all these years. I've been on many award shows, I've won film fairs, I've won other awards for film, but this is to me is a culmination of all of these. Thank you for having me here. In this changing time, I'm hoping tonight and I'll be able to work with some of you guys in the coming years, and that's it. And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I could see some of you taking pictures. I hope you post them on all your social medias using hashtag 40 under 40. The next 40 under 40 award winner is co-founder of Ventures, Abhijit Kumar. The next name is co-founder and CEO Shadow Facts. Please welcome on stage Mr. Abhishek Bansal. And the next winner is... I request Ms. Amrita to please say a few words.
I work with youth from slum communities for their sustainable livelihood and skills development in Pune with the government. And you all are welcome to our project, Lighthouse Project. Rana, you will have to come to meet all our students.
The next winner is Pocket Ace founder Anirudh Pandita. Had a great presentation some time back. He had just told us about all the trends. Please say something.
Pocket Aces is a digital entertainment company focused on solving your boredom and reducing your productivity on a daily basis. For those of you who haven't watched our content, I feel sorry for you. So go on your phones and we'll touch your lives through the day with different videos we make. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Anirudh. You reminded me of that dialogue from Aamir Khan. अच्छा लगा तो like करो, नहीं लगा तो taste change करो. Moving on to the next winner, co-founder and CEO of Whoopla, Mr. Arjun Ibrahim. Mr. Ibrahim, once again changing lives through his idea, where a salesperson who earned 8,000 now earns more than 35,000. Yes, quite an interesting t-shirt as well.
Actually, Whoopla is a platform which enables mostly tier 2, tier 3 women and youngsters to open their own store. About 30,000 people earn on a monthly basis today. That's what we do.
Thank you, Mr. Ibrahim. And if you like that t-shirt, I'm sure you can find it somewhere on Woopla as well. The next award winner is Managing Director, PC Snehal Group, Mr. Chiranjeev Patel. Mr. Patel was also part of our panel earlier, where he also shared his dreams of giving back and his actions of giving back to the community.
One of the only very few non-tech guys in 40 under 40, because as Mr. Pai said, it is about the tech world, but I am one of the non-tech guys. But the reason I am here probably is because I have learned and I have discovered my why. My why is not just earning money, it is growing with my team, with the people, and contributing back whatever I earn to the society. If they need our time, let's all together just make sure that we spend 1 hour a day to giving back to the society, and probably all of us can be here the next when the 400 under 40 is there. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Patel. When you talked about time, Ms. Amrita had that expression on. Yes, exactly, you're getting me. Now moving on to the next award winner, Managing Partner, Redcliffe Capital, Mr. Dheeraj Jain. I hope the claps are not becoming any less louder. Come on. These entrepreneurs have delivered the best. They deserve the best. Come on, put your hands together, everybody.
I'm absolutely thrilled the way entrepreneur ecosystem has been building up in India. I've spent a lot of time in Scandinavia, back in Europe. But what's happening in India is absolutely outstanding, and we've been investing into lots of different companies, and all of these are building up businesses which is for the future. And I want to dedicate this award to all those entrepreneurs who I've been backing and I will be backing in the future. Thank you so much.
The next disruptor 40 under 40 is CEO Miracle Couriers, Mr. Dhruv Lakra. I can hear more claps on stage rather than off stage. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा.
Miracle is a world's first logistics courier company that hires low-income deaf people and persons with disabilities in a logistics company. We are trying to challenge and change the status quo of how persons with disabilities are currently employed in India. So it feels good to have an award from an organization that is very pro-business. So we are a for-profit enterprise. We have two and a half warehouses in Mumbai city, where 90% of the workforce, both men and women, are deaf. So that means they can't hear and they can't speak. We do about 5,000 to 6,000 shipments a day for one of the largest e-commerce players in the world, with an efficiency of 99%. So the challenge for us is now to scale up and make people believe that persons with disabilities are equal in every sense. So thank you for this one.
Founder of Safe Educate. I was so moved by this lady's presentation. Recently, she came up and she told us about the life she is saving through her mission. Please welcome Miss Divya Jain.
What you're bringing a very important issue to a platform, of entrepreneurship, which is skill development. Half our population is under the age of 25, and what we at Safe Educate are trying to do is employ them, make them skillable. We are training 50,000 people. I think all of us as entrepreneurs are doing amazing work.
Next winner, co-founder and CEO InShots, Mr. Azhar Iqbal. Congratulations, sir. Doesn't Mr. Azhar look like he could make the under 20 list also? Put your hands together, come on everyone.
We run a company called InShots, so we provide news in 60 words. The idea is to target the younger generation who is short of time so that they can read news. That's it. Thank you.
Moving on to our next winner, we have founder and MD Big Boy Toys, Mr. Jatin Ahuja.
It started when I was 6-7 years old, and that is what I'm pursuing even today. Selling cars to the whole nation is what is our target, with 3 sales outlets and having a business all across the country. selling supercars, and we always term it as selling supercars for superstars. Thank you.
Let's welcome on stage Managing Director, Zirka Digital Solutions, Mr. Karan Kumar Gupta.
About what Zirka does, mainly right now into helping content creators and more than advertising and direct content creators monetize their content. So basically helping out with what you're investing in. Thank you everyone.
Partner and Executive Director, IDG Ventures India, Mr. Karan Mohla.
My passion is what I do every day, which is to partner with entrepreneurs, help them with capital and other resources to build great companies, and look to do that for many years to come. So thank you again.
Randi Gada, Chief Operating Officer, Shimaru.
At Shimaru, we have an extremely strong culture of building and encouraging entrepreneurship, and thanks to that I'm here. We are continuously disrupting ourselves to use technology, leverage technology to better serve our consumer, which is the masses of India, to provide them true masala entertainment from the last 55 years. So, thanks so much. Thank you.
The next winner is founder of Tone Tag, Mr. Kumar Abhishek. Quite an energetic gentleman there. Look at the way he is jogging to stage.
At Tone Tag, we use sound for data transfer. So all this clapping which we are doing, actually we can use that for sending messages. Tone Tag today is now integrated and available to 51 million consumers globally and 300,000 plus merchants. And I want to nominate this award to every deep tech and product company in this country which is going to make mark in the global audience. Thank you.
The next award winner is a venture investor in R&T Capital Advisors, and his name is Mr. Mayank Singhal.
ParentTune is a must-have support. It's the most used app supporting parents now in India. It is supporting 5 million parents every month. The idea is to start supporting 100 million parents, and that is truly when we will start making an impact. So the journey from here is to become a positive shift in every child's development. That's what we hope to achieve. Thank you so much.
The next award is for Chayo's founder, Mr. Nitin Saluja.
Thank you, everybody.
So how many cups of tea do you drink in a day?
About 7 to 8.
Oh.
And yes, we can get everybody a free cup of chai. About 20,000.
Last time somebody promised a cup of tea, you know where we landed.
So that's open for Charcha. Managing Director of Nazara Games, may I please request Mr. Nitish Mitra Sen to come forward.
Nazara, today our mission through our games is not to generate $1 billion, but to generate 1 billion smiles a day. That's all we are focusing on. Thank you.
And the next 40 under 40 achiever is co-founder and executive chairman of Savan, Mr. Paramdeep Singh. Sir, आप बाकी छोड़ो, आप एक गाना गा दो.
I create the platform for artists. I'm not one of them. But just want to say thank you so much to Business World, the jury, and congratulations to all the fellow honorees. Look out for Geo Savan to be launching very soon, and stream on. Thank you.
And which is the song on the top of your playlist right now?
Bomb Diggy right now.
Bomb Diggy, Bam Bam. Thank you. Congratulations. So some party happening tonight. Moving on to our next 40 under 40 achiever,
And this one goes to founder and CEO, Mo Engage India Private Limited. Please welcome Ravi Teja Doda.
So Mo Engage, we are basically very different from all others. We are an enterprise software company targeting global markets. We work with some of the largest Fortune 500 brands as well as some of the largest companies in India like Airtel, media verticals like Ghana and many others. So we basically impact digital experiences for 250 million users every month. Our software must be present in every person's smartphone here, and so where we are actually impacting your digital experience as well. Right. I would like to dedicate this award to the 90+ strong team at Mo Engage and for their hard work. Thank you.
And at the end of the awards, we would like to have a group photograph with all the winners who are present here. The next award goes to co-founder and managing director of Cloud9 Hospitals. Please welcome Mr. Rohit M.A. Mr. Rohit, I just noticed that you're here for Cloud9 Hospitals, right? You have done something very innovative to the birthing experience. And there is Ma in your name, Rohit M.A. So is it a coincidence or was it added?
Well, thank you so much. Thank you, jury. Well, it is a coincidence. I'll tell you, I think, given that there are so many digital companies, I hope I didn't influence the jury by putting a cloud in the name. No, right? No, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much. I'm going to take this back as a memento for all the wonderful staff back home. We're not yet 4,000. We're going to be there soon. So, as someone said, 400 under 40. Mine's already close to 4,000 under 40. Right? So, thank you so much.
Congratulations. Next award winner, 40 under 40, the founder of Omnia Information Private Limited. Please welcome Mr. Satyam Dharmora.
IT1 stands for information to everyone. We strongly believe that information should be a fundamental right, should be easily, freely available to everyone. And as we started to think of realizing this vision of impacting lives of 500 million people by providing them free information, Internet looked like a great medium. So what we do is we make sure that Internet is available for free to masses. If you are in Delhi, at every 500 meter, we have been able to enable a hotspot where you can go and get free Internet. We do around 1 million sessions today, but what we really hope is that by 2022, there would be 500 million lives impacted. Internet, wherever needed, should be freely available to everyone, and through that, there should be a lot of information that should be available for people whenever they want to transform their lives. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. The next award winner, Managing Director, Kotaram Agro Foods Private Limited, Mr. Prashant Parameswaran.
So I run a brand called Soulful. Our entire focus is on India's ancient special grains and to make them relevant in the 21st century. We bring products for kids, adults and young adults. And these grains, I urge all of you to try them. These are millets, ragi, jowar, bajra. These are not just superfoods. These are really smart foods. Foods that's good for you, good for the environment and good for the farmers. Thank you.
And sir, how do you have a smile like yours?
Just eat ragi, good calcium.
Thank you so much. The next award winner is Managing Director, StudioCon Ventures Private Limited. Please welcome on stage Mr. Tushar Mittal.
And construction is a very unorganized sector. We are trying to put technology and process to manage that sector in very well manner. Thank you. Thank you.
And the next award winner is Founder Director of Hero Electronics Private Limited. Please welcome everyone, Mr. Ujjwal Munjal.
23-year-old startup trying to play in the technology and electronic space, trying to build businesses around connected devices, starting from semiconductor engineering services to IoT products and solutions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And the next award winner is Founder Licious. Please welcome on stage Mr. Vivek Gupta.
And to all the meat lovers, if you try our product, you will actually get to know how real meat tastes like. That's the promise. Thank you.
That's quite an offer there. The next winner is founder and CEO Topper. Please welcome Mr. Jishan Hayat.
Topper is a learning app for school students. Over 50 lakh students use Topper for their school studies. We still have a very, very long way to go. And my message to everyone here is to keep building. All of us have a very long way to go, so don't stop building.
Sir, you have a wonderful name. First of all, what is the meaning of that name?
Zishan means one who should make you proud, and Hayat means life.
Oh wow, so I'm sure you're making everyone you know very, very proud right now.
I'm sure my mom is very proud.
And I'm sure she told you how proud she was once she got to know that you're coming here.
Yes, she's actually waiting for the pic, so I'm going to take it from my friend and then send it to her.
Alright, WhatsApp.
Yeah,
right?
WhatsApp,
Okay,
yeah.
so technology, that's what we're talking about. And were you a topper in school?
Yeah, like second.
That was your inspiration?
No.
What was your inspiration for topper?
My inspiration for Topper actually was the Nike Plus running app. When I saw people use the Nike Plus app and saw them how they changed running, I thought this could be, you could change the same thing for learning.
Let's change learning.
Yeah.
And you did it absolutely splendidly well. Everybody put your hands together for Jishan. We are all proud of you.
Thank you.
Please welcome Mr. Amit Wadhwane. These are the faces, these are the disruptors from various fields. Some are from content, some are from digital, industries from all walks of life. Can we have a combined round of applause for all of them? All the winners, everybody! The 40 Under 40 award, and this is me, Swali Sharma, signing off.